Yo, what up? Wait, hold on. Let me introduce you to my friend first. Hold on. So this is Greg Grapes. He grew up in Tennessee, and he is awesome. I mean, look at what he's doing right now. He's throwing together this little engine, and he's fixing to put it on this bicycle. So the reason that's happening is because Anthony had his bicycle, what'd you say, Greg? On the back of the... On the bike rack of his, what, of his Jeep?
Good.
Fell off going down the road. How fast do you think you guys were going?
30 miles an hour.
About 30 miles an hour?
Yeah, and just, that was it. It came off, smacked the ground, and said, I guess you're giving me a ride to work.
We got complications. Anthony's looking for a green nut. Greg's pissed about some hoes. But you know what? We're still going to get this thing done because we kick ass. It's Friday night, 8 o'clock at night, I think, and I'm tired as shit. We're still hacking away at the bike. Engine's almost together. Anthony's on the bars, making the throttle comfy. Alright, engine's together. We're getting a rough fit. And Greg's just trying to see what he needs to probably trim something because it's a big engine. And we're fixing to go over 45, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe because we're probably going to get a top speed on this, and I'm definitely riding it. So here we are about another hour in. It's looking really good. You guys are going to see where we're at. And, I mean, take a look. It's not that clean. You find it? Hold on. Let me film, Papa. And then I shut it off. I just pick it up.
Push nothing. What?
We gotta call up Welder Matt.
Or I'll just fucking have you bring it to the shop and I'll make it.
Gotta call Welder Matt to make a bracket for the gas tank. We're having an issue. But, alright, so you guys check it out. We're trying to do the tank now. The engine's in, carbs on, spark plug and coil. Exhaust is in, throttle's done, throttle cable's connected, clutch is in. We're just waiting on sprocket and chain. Did I have this hat on yesterday? Alright. And we're back working on the bicycle. Day 2. Let's see if we can get it running today. We got some welding and shit. Anthony's over there. Pumping in hours on the C10. You guys didn't see any of the C10, but we're gonna show you what we did to it when we're done with it. Got ourselves an update. Chain's on. One hell of a chain. Got ourselves the tensioner going on. I think we're gonna be riding it today. Did you tell him about the jelly donut? The bike's done, brother. What do you think about it, man?
I think it's pretty sweet.
The bike is done.
Yep.
He just rode it around the street, right, Greg?
Yep.
The first thing he said when he pulled up was, "She's gonna be a ripper." Check it out.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to be rude. Yeah. I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay. They riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah. You feel like me, then you...
Who goes first, Matt? You or me? I'm going first.
Oh, so like break it in a motor. You might not want to just jump on it and fucking rip it. 2 rebuilds.
And they blew up. Men over here, we blow shit up. We blow shit up, we rebuild it. Why were you hammering on it so much? He just locked her.
You're fucking kidding me, dude.
He just locked her up. Hey, look at this shit. Yep.
She broke. No, it's broke.
It sounds like a broken.
It's got more oil than it needs to.
Definitely pop the crank rod. You hear the bottom end moving, but no piston action.
Remember when we read it in the form too?
It's got a warranty in it.
Does it?
Well, no, it's 30 days.
From when we bought it.
Sound like she fucking went right to the top of the piston.
Yeah, there's no stroke action going on.
Huh?
Anthony's the one that paid for it. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button.
Black to it.
Say bye, Anthony.
Peace.
Bye. Y'all have a good one.